Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to change out the shower head in my master bathroom. I put this little shower head on there when I first moved in this house. The other day I was at Lowe's and I saw a shower head for $7 that was on clearance. The original price was $30. So I was like, hey, I'm going to grab it and I'm going to change out my shower head. So let's do it. The packaging said you would need a wrench and you would have to put that thread around the pipe before you put the new shower head on there. But I never used that thread and I didn't have a wrench. I just used my hands. So to each his own. I don't plan on doing a lot to this house, but I want to do enough to make me comfortable. Because at first I was going to move, but hey, I'll be renting for a little bit longer. So I'm going to be changing a few things around to make me more comfortable because I really wasn't comfortable in this bathroom. I'll be changing a few more things coming. Okay, guys? Hit the like for me. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Drop a comment and leave me some hints and some tips of what I can do for rental-friendly upgrades. When I was working on this shower head and cleaning up that night, everybody was asleep. So I just was in here doing my thing. I don't know why it is, but as a mama says, it just be so peaceful. I like to do everything when everybody is asleep. I don't know. I guess because ain't nobody gonna be messing with nothing or in my way. So I get a lot more done at nighttime than I do in the daytime. I'm really not trying to do nothing extra that I gotta pay nobody to do. Whatever I can do myself, that's what I be doing. So I will be doing the walls, the faucets, the floors, changing out door handles and stuff like that. But I will not be paying anybody if I can do it myself. Hit the like for me. Let's go. I don't want anything that I gotta put anything extra because I want it to be easy to remove.
Rip them off when you leave.
Okay, cool. That's all I need. Thank you.
Solid.
All right, thanks for being here. I was looking at these last night on Amazon. They got remote blinds. $130 on Amazon. Change my light and my faucet next. After I get done with this, I'm doing my lights and my faucet. I'm changing the kitchen faucet too. Because I said I'm just going to fix that house. Okay, I know what I want to see, but I usually look at this. You know, we be riding past people's house and you can see their whole house. The lights be shining. You can see their whole house. Reflector floodlight. So that's what